Today we're making a high-protein chicken, lentil, and veggie skillet with a simple balsamic glaze that brings everything together. It's easy, filling, and honestly tastes way better than it should for how simple it is. So, let's get into it. First, veggie prep. Dice half a yellow onion, then half a bell pepper. Take 2 large florets of cauliflower and cut them into smaller pieces. Slice about 6 or 7 mushrooms. Then smash and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Smashing the garlic not only makes it easier to mince, but also brings out more flavor, so don't skip that step. Now, for the lentils. Take half a cup of dried lentils, add them to a pot with about 1.5 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a small splash of olive oil. Let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're tender but not mushy. When they're done, drain them and set them aside. Now grab a large pan and add about a tablespoon of oil. Let it heat up until it thins out. Then add in your garlic. Cook that for about 30 seconds to a minute, just until it's fragrant. Now, add in all your veggies. Let those saute for about 8 minutes. You want them softened with a little bit of color, not soggy. Season with salt, pepper, and oregano. Stir this throughout the 8 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make a quick glaze. In a small bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Mix it well so the honey dissolves and everything comes together. Once the veggies are done, take them out and set them aside for now. In the same pan, add another small splash of oil if needed, then add your chicken. Cook it for about 5 minutes on the first side. I seasoned this well with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And don't be shy with seasoning here. That's the difference between something tasting like diet food and something you actually want to eat again. Flip the chicken and cook for another 5 minutes. If your chicken is thicker like mine was, you can slice it into thinner strips at this point and let it brown for another 2 minutes. That extra browning adds a lot of flavor. Take the chicken out, let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now, add everything back into the pan. The chicken, the veggies, and the lentils. And pour in your balsamic glaze and let it cook together for about 5 minutes so all the flavors come together. And that's it. This dish is packed with protein and fiber, so it actually fills you up and keeps you full for a while, which is exactly what I look for in a weeknight meal. Let me know in the comments, would you keep this as is or add something like feta or a yogurt sauce on top? I feel like both would be really good. If you try this, let me know how it turns out. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one real soon.